Hi, today we are going to implement for each loop in a Java. So first we understand why we can use the for each and we cannot use other loop. So basically when we add the number of item in a list in a collection, then we need to iterate, then we just create the iterator for retrying the data. So we can understand using example. First I add one list and 10 element I add here using for loop. Now, next we need to iterate the all element of list and we create a iterator. My list iterator and I want to print out all element iterator dot next. Now what we do here, just create a one list and add 10 elements using for loop. Now I want to retry all element of the list. Then I create a iterator and inside the while loop I just print add SOP and print out all the element of list. Now we can see here in a console 0 to 9 elements is print out. So here iterator is for iterating the all element. But problem is there when we use the iterator, when we any business logic implement inside the loop, then it might be possible to generate the concurrent modification error. So in Java 8 for each method it is introduced. It is what do it is separate the all business logic in a consumer. So when we use for each, then it is get take argument as a consumer. Now we first implement using anonymous consumer class. Now my list for each consumer, new consumer. Consumer class is import from the function consumer, util function consumer. So we can add here business logic. It is now I add one SOP and print out list element value. Yeah, element value. Element value. Now I remove this iterator and run this program and check out it is properly working. Yeah, it is properly working. So it is benefit of the for each loop, our separate business logic in another place. So it is good features in Java 8.